Hello, welcome to Yamuna's physics classes. Today we are here to discuss the topic electric field on an equatorial point of an electric dipole. In the previous video, we have done the same thing at an axial point. Now let us look at AB is an electric dipole of length 2a with center O. Q is a point at a distance r from the center of on an equatorial point. So the point Q now is on an equatorial plane or a line. So equatorial in the sense it is a line which is perpendicular to this axial line. Last time we have discussed on this line or this plane, now it is over here. So R is a point, it is from the center R distance you have the point Q. Now the question is, find what is E equatorial. What is the electric field at the point Q? And this is the answer what we are going to derive. Let us see how can you do it. Very simple. Hope this figure is very clear. Once again I will repeat. There is a dipole AB. Charges are minus Q and plus Q. The separation is 2a. The point Q is at a distance r from O. And here from the figure this is x, this is x. So you know this two sides are the same from the symmetry of the triangle. So at the point Q, you are placing a test charge or unit positive charge. So that charge is attracted by the minus Q, at the same time repelled by the charge plus Q. So at the point Q, simultaneously you will have two different directions for the field. One is in the direction E minus Q, the other one is in the direction E plus Q. So if such a case happens, we go for resolution of vectors. Okay. Now, before we go into resolve it, let me say one more thing. From this you need the value x. Why? What is x? The distance between the charges plus q and the test charge minus q and the test charge are the same, that is x. So we can apply in this triangle the same triangle redrawn here. So this is r, this is x, this is a. So from this triangle you can use Pythagorean theorem. BQ square is equal to OQ square plus OB square, same as AQ square. So we will get it as x square is equal to r square plus a square, and x is root of r square plus a square. We need this also. From this equation you need cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So it is a by x, and the value of x is r square plus a square whole to the power half. So we need this. Okay, we'll come to that later. Now, resolving the vectors. How to resolve it? You know, resolution means splitting of a vector into two rectangular components which are mutually perpendicular. So at the point Q, you have two vectors in two different colors I have given. This is E plus Q, this is E minus Q. Now, one more thing. In this figure, this angle is theta, this angle is theta. So we have studied that if this is a parallel line and this is another line, so these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel and if it is cut by a transversal like this, if this angle is theta, automatically this comes also theta. Once again, this is a line, this is another line which are mutually parallel, and this is a transversal, these two angles are theta. Also, you know, if this is in the form of a Z shape, look at this. If you want, I can draw in a little bit. This thing, this thing. So if this is theta, this is again theta. So same angles redrawn here. So this angle is theta, this is again theta. So E plus Q, and this is known to you. So of course, if this is E plus Q and if this is theta, it's very clear. This component will be E plus Q cos theta. The other perpendicular component will be E plus Q sin theta. Similarly, E minus Q is cut into two. One E minus Q cos theta, left, down E minus Q sin theta. But from the symmetry of the figure, the values, you can understand magnitude of E plus Q and E minus Q are the same. Both have the same magnitude. Only magnitude I say, not direction. Clear? So find the values, substitute the values, you will get it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by aq square. Also 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by bq square. Both are the same. The values are q divided by r square plus a square. Instead of x square, I have written r square plus a square. Now come to the value. So what is the total value? E equatorial, what is the value? Just add the horizontal components. Vertical components cancelled. Horizontal components are E minus q cos theta, E plus q cos theta. Same magnitude, so you will have twice 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q into cos theta divided by r square plus a square. Obviously the direction is minus p cap. Why minus p cap? You know what is p cap? P cap gives the direction of electric dipole moment, and that is from minus q to plus q. I have written here p cap is from A to B. A to B means from minus q to plus q. So here the electric field is against p cap. So it is minus p cap. Hence I wrote here minus p cap. And what is cos theta? As I have already mentioned, A by x. A by x. What is x? X is root of r square plus a square. So substitute here. What you will get? Here you will have r square plus a square to the power 1. Here to the power half. The same thing to the power half. So you will have half plus 1, 3 by 2. Numerator 2qa p cap together is known as p bar. 2qa p cap is together known as p bar. The minus sign, I have carried over the minus sign here to show that it is in which direction? Opposite to p cap. Remaining I have written. Now when r is much greater than a, you know what is r, what is a? R is the position of the point q from the center. What is a or 2a? The distance between the two charges, and it is very very small. For a value which is very small, when you go to squares and cube, we will neglect just because it comes down. Therefore a square is getting neglected. Removed a square, so it is r square raised to 3 by 2. What is r square raised to 3 by 2? 2 and 2 cancels, r cube. So you will get r cube at the denominator. Hence proved. So the value is minus p bar by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. Earlier in the axial line you got the value as plus. The value was plus 2p bar by 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. Here the value is minus p bar 4 pi epsilon 0 r cube. Shows that magnitude is twice and the direction is opposite to p cap. In the case of axial line, the magnitude is twice, but the direction is p cap. Here the magnitude is half, the direction is reverse of p cap, that is minus p cap. Hope it is very clear. If you have some doubts, please comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you.